Multiply 452 by 36 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 6. 6 times 2 is 12. Put 2 in this column and carry 1. 6 times 5 plus the carried 1 is 31. Put 1 in this column and carry 3. 6 times 4 plus the carried 3 is 27. The first partial product is 2712. Now use the tens digit, 3. Start one place to the left. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 5 is 15. Put 5 in this column and carry 1. 3 times 4 plus the carried 1 is 13. The second partial product is 13,560. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 2 plus 0 is 2. In the tens column, 1 plus 6 is 7. In the hundreds column, 7 plus 5 is 12. Put 2 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 2 plus 3 plus the carried 1 is 6. In the 10,000s column, bring down 1. The product of the whole numbers is 16,272. So 452 times 36 is 16,272.